Okay, so here we are with example two. And so example two wants us to think about change in elevation versus distance. So we learned that distance is always a positive number, but a change in elevation can actually be positive or negative. It's like temperature. So you can go up in temperature or you can go down in temperature. And so that is acknowledged as positive or negative. If you went down 5 degrees, that's minus 5 degrees. So you have to be able to think about what you are evaluating to see if it could be positive or if it is positive or negative. Okay, so here we have a hiker starts hiking at the beginning of a trail at a point which is 200 feet below sea level. So I'm going to have a vertical um, number line that zeros here, and he starts down below sea level, negative 200. And he hikes to a location on the trail that is 580 feet above sea level. So 580 feet. So he goes from negative 200 all the way up to 580. That's before lunch. Okay. And so we have to figure out what is the vertical distance between 200 feet below and 500 feet above. So we are going to try and look at, okay, if I go from negative 200 and then to 580, 580, that is going to equal negative 200 plus negative 580. Okay, which equals, if I do that math, negative 780. But because we're talking about distance, it's still absolute value. So the vertical distance between is 780 feet. So how do we interpret that? Well, the hiker hiked 780 feet. So hiker hiked 780 feet between a point below sea level and a point above sea level. All right, let's move forward.